All right, guys, so I was laying out this floor and I realized I made a pretty critical mistake. I always lay out my small bathroom floors. This really didn't take too long, but because I didn't walk it out or I just wasn't thinking, when I came over to this cut, thinking when I was looking at it that it was just a U-cut, easy, right? No big deal. And as you can see, it fits perfect. I was not taking into account this right here. So because of that, there would be no way for me to maneuver that tile in. I mean, unless I literally cut the bottom of the bottom plate out and slid it under, which is really not that feasible. There is a quick solution that I'm gonna be able to do on this though. Now, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to try to figure out what it is. 3, 2, 1. That's right, we just moved the layout. So this is actually going to be a lot easier than you think. So here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna get rid of this. Okay, this is gone. Now, all I really need to do to fix this is shift the entire layout over. So really, the only tiles that I'm losing are this one, and I think there's a little notch on that one, but I can actually still use that tile because I can just lop off the notch. So as far as waste goes, this was not the end of the world. And there's actually a really, really quick fix to how to get these tiles cut. Let me show you that right now. So if I have to slide this whole layout over one, then this tile becomes that tile. So if I've already made my marks and everything on this one, all I have to do is lay this tile over, trace it, cut it, and boom, we're in business. This one, there was no notch on it. That one, there's no notch on it. So we're just gonna slide this whole thing over. And because it's a little late in the day and the customer needs access to this closet, now that I have my layout, what I'll do is I'm gonna cut this row right here, work my way in. Monday, I'll set these 4 rows of tile, maybe another one right there. I'll let that dry, I'll knock the clips out, and then Tuesday, I'll set this little toilet room and the area under the vanity. So, small mistake, easy fix, and we'll be back in business. All right, guys, let's take a quick look at how we did. So, I ended up taking the tile from here and using it for that cut down there. I ended up taking this cut, which was over here, and using it, I think, right here. So that tile became that tile. This tile became that tile. And the L cut that was in the corner became this. I know that sounded super confusing, but let's just lay it out. All right, moment of truth. Boom. That's that. That should cover. Okay, so now we just gotta shift the whole entire layout down. Boom. All right, now that that's moved, we just take a full tile, put it here, shift this whole layout down. Would you look at that? This is like autism in real time. I love this stuff. All right, now this one needs to become a half tile. So this full, I could have just moved this full over, but let's go and bring this one down. Make sure she fits. Why'd you become a tile guy? Oh, I like puzzles. And would you look at that? That one fits too. So now, this tile here, we'll have to cut straight. This one will be this guy over here. Have to do some finagling, but successfully shifted the entire layout with just a few cuts and barely any waste. Thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna clean all this up and I'm gonna get out of here because it is Friday and I'm gonna enjoy my weekend. There it is. Look at that. Easy peasy. See you later.